One end is flared. Slide it into place like that. Hello, my rover friends, and welcome to the Lucky 8 channel. Today, I've got our Project I-95 5-speed on the lift. We're gonna put one of our all makes Brit part exhausts on it. I get some questions on how to do it, so this is the video for you. I'm gonna show you how to install it. Cue the intro. When you get your order from us, it's gonna be all bundled together like this. You're gonna cut it open. You're gonna see, be quiet. You're gonna see three main components: tailpipe muffler, mid-body muffler, over axle piece. It's gonna be a noisy video, guys. Our little clamps. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is connect our mid-muffler to the catalytic converter. I'm jumping ahead. I assume you've already got all that stuff out. So let's get this in place. What we're gonna wanna do is find this little bracket. A lot of times it gets stuck here, so you wanna free it up. That's gonna mount the muffler. And then you're looking for these little rubber grommets, one here, and that's gonna mount our muffler like so. That's the back. That's the front. So we're gonna slide those on. This is actually more difficult than you think, trying to get these to slide through the rubber grommets. So I'm gonna kind of speed ahead. As much as I know you guys love watching me struggle, I need to face that way, and if I do, you only see the back. All right, give me 1 second. Once this is in, we'll take a look. Little tip I'm gonna give you guys, there's a metal tab on the end of the muffler clamp. See if you can see it right there now. A little better. I took that tab and probably should have done this before I put it in for you guys. Sorry, I'm lousy. This little metal piece right here, you can bend that flat, makes it super easy to slide through the rubber bushing. Also, I use some WD-40, spray it up, goes right in. Once it's in the place it needs to be, bend it straight with your channel locks. We're just gonna fold it down like so. Just like that. Whoop. There you go, now you got a better view. The next step is to connect the cats to the muffler. I'm using this little jack stand to help hold it up. So if you're on the ground, you could actually use just like a hydraulic jack to hold the pipe for you while you align everything. I'm gonna tighten that up. We're gonna move to the next section. Moving down the line, we're gonna get this axle pipe. One end is flared, and that's gonna fit on to the exhaust. We're not gonna tighten anything down yet. We're gonna rotate all the pieces in place first. So I'm gonna set this in, do my best guess. Then we're gonna grab the muffler, get that connected, then we can start tightening everything down. Okay, here is the tricky bit. The muffler slides into the rubber muffler holder grommet this way. What I like to do is piece it together, slide it in, kind of working everything all together, and bring it up to the rubber grommet. Come on now. And slide it into place like that. There we go. Whew. I was struggling for a bit, but don't tell anybody. All right, now that that's in place, time to get your muffler clamps. Align the muffler so it looks, we don't want it looking crooked like that. We want it nice and flat. Make sure these pipes aren't rubbing anything they shouldn't be rubbing. And then you can go ahead, tighten everything down, leaving one thing left to do. Okay, the next thing to do, start it up and go under the, and feel around where the clamps are before it gets too hot. This one's leaking a little exhaust. It means I got to tighten it down more. That one's good. Midsection or cats are good. All right, I'm gonna tighten that down, and that really leaves one more thing to do. Be sure to follow.